Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino is located on the Las Vegas Strip. It's home to a gorgeous lazy river and pool, sharks, live performances, a sprawling gaming floor, and special events. Today I'm going to walk you through the best things about Mandalay Bay and take you to a special event by competitive eater Matt Stonie. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out. Before the newer casinos like Aria and the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas opened, Mandalay Bay was my favorite resort on the Strip. It's one of those resorts that has everything located in one place. Before I go through the best things about the resort, let's take a look around. I love how easy it is to navigate the floor. It's one big rectangle with amenities on the sides. These are the bars located at the resort, and there's also bars located at the shops at Mandalay Place. If you want to do a little shopping, there are retail outlets located at the resort, and they also have their own shopping mall at the shops at Mandalay Place. If you like what you're watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Vegas content. People love waving at me when I record. So let's talk about my favorite things about Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino. Here we go. Concerts and live performances. Mandalay Bay has the Michelob Ultra Arena, formerly known as the Mandalay Event Center. It's a 12,000-seat sports and entertainment center, and I've watched some really great concerts and boxing matches here over the years. They also have the House of Blues, which features live performances as well, including the popular and intimate evening with Carlos Santana. Number 2 is the show Michael Jackson won by Cirque du Soleil. If you like Michael Jackson and his music, you definitely don't want to miss this show. It doesn't have as many acrobatic performances as the typical Cirque show, but it focuses more on dance and music. Number 3 is the Lazy River, Wave Pool, and Mandalay Bay Beach. I don't even know what to say except don't you see yourself floating on a floaty on this lazy river or swimming in the pool? It's gorgeous along with the beach. Number 4 is a Shark Reef Aquarium. Here you'll see over 2,000 animals, including sharks, sea turtles, piranhas, and giant rays. It's great for the entire family. Number 5 is the -5 Ice Bar. Yes, it is -5 degrees here. Everything is made of ice. In fact, there's over 90 tons of ice. Even the glasses are made of ice. It's a cool experience, pun intended. Number 6 is the Foundation Room. It has one of the best views in Las Vegas. Imagine just sitting here, taking this all in. It's beautiful. Number 7 is football. Mandalay Bay is walking distance to the Allegiant Stadium. You can even go on a stadium walk to enjoy some pre-game festivities. So let's keep walking around the casino a little bit. There's a place called Starlight Tattoo if you want to get a tattoo while on vacation. And next to it is the House of Blues that I mentioned earlier. It's a fairly large restaurant and bar and concert hall. The reason I came to Mandalay Bay today was to film this for you guys, but also I'm here to attend a special event by Matt Stonie, who is a competitive eater, and that's actually where we're walking to now. Mandalay Bay also has some great restaurants, and as we walk around, walking towards the event, you're going to see a lot of them. If you've been on my other walking tours, you know I just love looking at the sports books. Here's the BetMGM Sportsbook. It has 17 large screen TVs with individual seats and monitors. If you park in the self-parking garage, which I love to do, and you veer towards your right, you'll see all these wonderful restaurants. So here we are. This is Matt Stonie's event. This is what I came to Mandalay Bay for. He invited a few of his closest friends. Just kidding, just look at this turnout. So funny story, I was recording Kumi where the event is taking place. I noticed the event signage, so I started recording that. And then I noticed that Matt was standing next to it, so I asked him for a selfie, not realizing that that entire line of people that we just passed, they were all waiting for the same thing. So sorry, Matt Stonie fans, I didn't mean to cut, and I didn't get my picture at that time, so don't be mad. Matt was having a taste testing of his Stonie Bowls, but before that, he did a little meet and greet with his fans. I did finally get a picture after his meet and greet. There I am. It makes sense that a competitive eater would get into the food business. Today we did a taste test of his poke bowls. The one I had was slightly spicy with the perfect kick. It was delicious. Cheers, Matt, to your new business venture. We wish you lots of luck. Near Kumi, where the event took place, are additional restaurants. If you keep walking down this hallway, you'll bump right into the Michelob Ultra Arena, where some of the concerts and live performances take place. I'm always grateful for everyone who comes to watch my channel. I'll see you again soon. Until then, be safe. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.